with Let's Cook with Omar. Today our dish, Basmashkat. Basmashkat is a traditional Syrian dish. What we need for this dish, let's start and see. We need 2-pound steak and 200 gram ground beef, salt, black pepper, saffron and rice. And we need also plastic wrap and aluminium paper. So let's start. Put the plastic wrap in the bottom and steak, then again plastic. Our steak ready now. Now we mix the rice with the ground beef, saffron, punch black pepper, salt, and now we mix it. Take the steak, take the rice, put inside, and we roll it. Aluminium paper. Make another one. Now after we finish, we cook all our beef in the hot water with little black pepper and salt for half an hour, and we'll see you after that. Little salt, black pepper, or you can use white if you have. And now we add our beef. We leave it for half an hour. After 35 minutes, we take our beef, and we put the pan, little butter, and we give it color. Now we take 2, and now we serve with carrot, mashed potato, and beef sauce. Today I will not try this dish. I will let somebody to try this dish and we see if they like it or not.
Alright, hello everyone, my name is Judy and I am going to be testing Omar's dish today. So it looks good and I'm 100% sure it's going to taste good. So we have, it's all well done and we have some meat inside. Let's try the sauce as well. I was saying that the texture is really well. It's not hard, although it's well done, it's not hard at all, and I think the sauce complements it very well. And I'm gonna also try the mashed potato. Wow, I really have to say this is probably one of the best mashed potatoes I had. It tastes like a mashed potato but with a little bit of a different kick, and the sauce gives it a more sourness a bit, but it works all well together, so I would definitely say this is a win. Good job.
If you like my dish today, please don't forget to subscribe.
And I'll keep eating.
And share. Thank you. See you next dish.